Do you want to see what it's like to camp in Canada? Stay tuned.
First stop to buy flowers for Mother's Day.
For me, mother.
Walmart was like a flower garden on Mother's Day. We bought this beautiful flower bouquet for Derrick's mom, and then we straightly went to go get party chips.
Canada, where we drink churros. Not eat them, but drink them.
Taste it.
Oh, that's a sugar rush.
This is the entrance of the park. The campground has showers and washrooms. Hey yo!
Hello.
Hi mom!
How's it going? You coming out?
Stay. Stay.
Happy Mother's Day. Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, beautiful.
Some flowers?
Now. Stay. These are beautiful.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you sound like you couldn't make it halfway around.
Shit, that's everybody's dream.
Not a young gaffer no more. I'm almost 40 years old.
She's gonna leave this guy. She thinks he's nuts.
What are you looking at?
No. Is that right, too?
Not looking at you.
Looking into my soul.
He's talking to a ghost and she's coming.
Now here we stop the... It comes with these. A satellite for the Wi-Fi. What you doing?
Gonna sit here and watch the rain. With no beer.
Just how to press it so we can open the window with the mosquito on it. Stick it, stick it, stick it. It's raining. After setting up the Jeep, we took the dogs out. Who let the dogs out?
Be a Canadian slang word, though.
Ali?
You think after so long they wouldn't be. Joking. Giddy up, horse.